मैं भी बाहर आ गया हूँ।
Security personals as well as the higher authorities of the institutions for the entire convocation 2025.
हमको ऐसा लग रहा है कि केवल अंकल का जरूरत था तो वो जबरदस्ती लाके खड़ा कर दिया।
नहीं,
कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा।
अरे तेरे को बोलने का बात नहीं है, तो अभी चाहते हैं तो इस चीज़ बोल सकते जो फर्स्ट हैंड इन्फॉर्मेशन आ रहा है ना
वो तो
उसको,
हाँ।
हाँ वो प्रेजेंट तो मेरे को करना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि वहाँ पर मैं सब ना ये लोग बूटिंग करेंगे। और दूसरा चीज़ का क्राउड इज हॉस्टेल ना, आई मतलब टू जाने के बाद आई टॉक टू माई क्राउड लाइक मैं शक्ति है तो उनको उसका बात नहीं मानेंगे। एंड दे हैव प्लान कि फॉर्मल सेशन में मैं कुछ बोलता हूँ कुछ भी बोलता है, दे हैव प्लान कि हम इसको रिबटल नहीं रिफ्यूट करेंगे, इसको बोलेंगे ऐसा करके चिल्लाएंगे एज वेल मैं कर नहीं रहा मतलब प्लान क्यों रहेगा। तो अगर तू फर्स्ट है और तेरे को ये नहीं मानेगा एंड इट लुक्स वेरी ऑड इफ अ गर्ल इज टेलिंग समथिंग एंड दे आर डूइंग इट बैक, सो दैट इज व्हाई आई एम नॉट डूइंग फॉर द फर्स्ट ईयर। बाकी जो इवेंट है दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड यस्टरडे आल्सो। रिमेंबर आई टोल्ड यू ये बोल रहे हैं ये भी बोल रहे हैं, आई अंडरस्टैंड वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है कि मैक्सिमम चीज़ मैं कर रहा हूँ तो नहीं कर रही है, बिकॉज यू डूइंग गुड, वॉट एवर यू डूइंग वेरी गुड। Protocols regarding the convocation. Once the formal session ends, the Honorable Governor shall rise from his seat. Immediately the national anthem would begin. So kindly ensure every one of you stands up, post which the procession will move outside. Every one of you kindly hold your position. With a brief gap of 10 seconds, the procession shall re-enter and the procession will again come to the dais, and until they have occupied their seats, kindly hold your positions. Once the members of the procession after re-entry have taken the seats, you all shall take your seats. And a brief regarding on how to take the degrees. First, there shall be let's say degree recipient A and B. From my right hand side column, the first degree recipient shall move forward. The degree would be there. They shall move forward to the entrance that is on my right. Just move forward, take few steps ahead of the convocation podium, bow down, move forward to the Honorable Governor or the guest who is awarding the degrees, face the camera, take a brief pause, exit from my left hand side, move from the sidelines of the convocation hall to the back end. From the back end, re-enter from the midline and enter the row in which the designated seat is there. After participant A has taken his or her degree and is exiting, the next participant who's over there shall re-enter, bow down and follow the same protocol. And regarding this pathway from the seats, the pathway that has been taken by participant A, the next adjacent participant, that is participant B, shall follow the same route. I repeat, there has been special emphasis from the security personnel and government officials that the decorum of the entire convocation hall must be maintained at all time. There shall be no cross-talking. Every one of you, kindly put your phone on silent or vibration, and as
अग्निमीळे पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देवं ऋत्विजम् होतारं रत्नधातमम् शं नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शं नो भवत्वर्यमा शं नो इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शं नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारं भवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
I declare the 13th convocation of Centurion University of Technology and Management open.
His Excellency Shri Haribabu Kammampati, Honorable Governor of Odisha and visitor of the university, esteemed guests Dr. V. Narayanan and Dr. B.K. Das, distinguished members of the Governing Board, President, Vice President, Registrar, members of the Academic Council and Board of Studies, Pro-Vice Chancellors, Directors, Deans, faculty and staff, parents, guests, media representatives, and most importantly, our graduating students, ladies and gentlemen. As Vice Chancellor, I warmly welcome you all to the 13th convocation of Centurion University of Technology and Management, Odisha. At the outset, I reaffirm the university's commitment to the UN Sustainable Development Goals 2030 and the National Education Policy 2020. The university continues to make significant progress in global rankings. Under the mentorship of Western Sydney University, we are ranked for the first time in the World University Ranking in the 1500 plus band, advanced in the interdisciplinary science rankings, rising from 501 to 600 band to the 301 to 400 band globally. We have also been highly commended in the International Green Ground Awards Nature Positive category for our Pollinators Paradise initiative and recognized as finalists in the Next Gen Skills category. In national rankings by Outlook iCare, Centurion University has secured top positions across skills, multidisciplinary, maritime, fisheries, and veterinary categories. Our research and infrastructure continue to grow. The DST FISC grant has strengthened our laboratories, and our food testing lab received NABL accreditation with substantial support from the Government of India. Across 6 campuses, we largely serve students from Odisha and neighboring states.
The distinguished guests and the honorable visitor are almost at the university. Before he formally enters this convocation hall, I would like to again brief you regarding all the protocols that need to be followed. We are putting a special emphasis on the protocols and been repeating again and again because there are certain guidelines, certain things that we need to follow because we are having distinguished members itself from the government, which cannot be, the protocols cannot be breached at any cost, which is why first, the protocols, the general protocols that need to be followed at all times are please do not leave the convocation hall until the ceremony gets over.
Please keep your mobile phones on silent mode.
Please take your seats according to the seat number and the sequencing that has been assigned to you.
I request all student and faculty volunteers to kindly ensure that students are seated as per the sequence assigned to them.
Please maintain the decorum of the hall at all times.
All present in the hall are requested to rise on the arrival of the procession in the convocation hall.
As the participants shall be coming out from their respective seats, the degrees would be handed over directly to them, which they shall be carrying over to the stage.
Upon reaching the stage, you shall bow down and proceed to the guest for the photograph.
For this stage, once a degree recipient comes over, kindly take a couple of steps forward from the convocation podium, bow down, move towards the honorable guest or the honorable visitor who is providing the degrees, face the camera for the photograph, take a brief pause, exit from my left side. The second participant who's waiting over there, once the first recipient is about to exit, kindly follow the same protocol of bowing down, moving forward to receive the
Candidates who have been, after examination, found qualified for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, Master, Postgraduate Diploma, Bachelor, Diploma, and pray they may be admitted to their degrees. Dedicate myself to the service of the society and cherish with pride the rich intellectual and cultural heritage of my country.
by the cultural resurgence. This has come by the passionate dream of 1.5 billion people that there is only country in the world is India, who trusts India, who trusts its sovereignty, who trusts its talent, who trusts what India is all about. When so much we talk about India, friends, with all my journey of 33 years in Indian Missile.
रोमित कुमार मेहर, विनय कुमार साहू,
I request the volunteers to ensure that no one leaves the convocation
सीतम
hall as of
पंडा,
now.
अमन सिन्हा,
Graduates, I request you kindly stay back
संपर्क साधना स्वाई,
in the convocation hall and do not leave
अभिषेक
in
बारिक,
between. Volunteers kindly ensure that no one leaves the convocation hall as of now.
सुदीप्ता राउत, आलोकेश बेहुरा, संगीता महांती, सुदीप्ता राउत, आलोकेश बेहुरा, संगीता महांती,
अरण्य कुमार बेहेरा, रतिकांत माझी, सूर्यनारायण पंडा, रितेश बेहेरा, शुभेंदु कुमार नायक, संदीप कुमार कुलदीप,
कृतिबास त्रिपाठी, श्रीजीत हरिचंदन।
Bachelor of Vocation and Diploma in Engineering. Sir, please.
पटनायक, इजाजुद्दीन साहा, सबीरुद्दीन साहू कुमार बेहरा, सुभिरांशु कुमार बेहरा, मोहित कुमार गंजू, ज्योतिरंजन पात्र, राघव चंद्र मलिक।